Hi, boys and girls. Here's your spelling work for today while I work with my phonics group. This week, we're going to be working on reviewing nouns and verbs and how to add suffixes to them, but we're going to use a different suffix this time. So our root words for this week are puppy, penny, study, carry, butterfly, lady, bunny, dry, hurry, and Mary. Now these words, as you can see, all end in the letter Y, making the E sound at the end of a word. Now there's a rule for when you want to use the ES form of this noun or verb. When we add an ES to these root words, we do something a little special. Let's take one of the words study. If I want to change and use the word studies, which is a form of study, the first thing I need to do is to take off the Y and change it to an I. But I don't stop there because study spelled with an I is not a word. Then I add the ES to make my word studies. So try and put that pattern into your head while you're spelling these words. We change the Y to an I, and then we add the ES. So here's your spelling words with the ES ending that I'd also like you to know by Friday. Puppies, pennies, studies, carries, butterflies, ladies, bunnies, dries, hurries, and marries. Now there's a couple challenge words I'm going to give you just that have popped up, and I think we should probably throw them in for a bonus. And those words are along, spelled A-L-O-N-G, and the other word is put, P-U-T. So you're going to be getting a page that looks like this. Even though it says spelling assessment at the top, we're not using it as an assessment today. It's just a practice for us. What I'd like you to do is first put your name at the top of your paper. Then I'd like you to write your root word and then practice that, change the Y to an I and add ES and write that form of the word. And don't forget the challenge words at the bottom. So here's the root words for your spelling work today and the challenge words. I gave you a little clue there, how to change study into studies. All the words will follow that pattern. And good luck. When you're done, please turn it into the basket. And I'll talk to you soon.